Capturing underwater footage isn't easy. Pressure, light loss, and color shifts all challenge image quality. The Insta360 Ace Pro 2 tackles these with pro-level imaging, smart underwater features, and seamless usability. Whether you want vibrant footage straight from the camera or cinematic post-production flexibility, the Ace Pro 2 has you covered. Underwater conditions can change drastically depending on the depth, visibility, and lighting, making it essential to adjust camera settings for optimal footage quality. For deep dives beyond 10 meters with fair to poor visibility, a 4K resolution at 120 frames per second in manual mode provides maximum detail and post-processing flexibility. Using a flat color profile enhances color grading options while setting ISO to a maximum of 800 minimizes grain. An exposure value of -0.3 helps prevent overexposure, and auto-white balance ensures accurate color representation. On the other hand, for quick sharing and natural-looking footage without extensive editing, a 4K resolution at 60 frames per second or 120 frames per second in auto mode delivers vibrant, realistic colors straight out of the camera. The standard color profile maintains true-to-life tones, while an exposure value of -0.3, auto-white balance, and medium sharpness settings ensure a well-balanced and visually appealing result. By fine-tuning these elements based on the diving environment, the Insta360 Ace Pro 2 enables divers to capture clear, high-quality footage whether for professional editing or instant sharing. For overexposed scenes such as shallow water dives or shooting toward the sun, adjusting the camera setting is crucial to retain highlights and prevent washed-out footage. Using a 4K resolution at 60 frames per second in manual mode with the iLog color profile ensures a higher dynamic range, allowing for better post-processing flexibility. Auto shutter and a maximum ISO of 800 help balance exposure, while an exposure value setting of -0.3 prevents excessive brightness. Auto white balance maintains natural color tones, and setting sharpness to medium preserves detail without making the footage look overly processed. However, while log profiles enhance color grading, they aren't always ideal underwater, as they can reduce contrast and brightness, leading to darker footage and potential color loss. In such cases, switching to a standard or flat profile provides better results. For low light conditions, such as deep dives at dusk or murky environments, maintaining clarity and reducing noise requires specific settings. One option is using custom manual settings with a 4K resolution at 60 frames per second, a flat color profile for balanced contrast, and an auto shutter to adapt to changing light conditions. Keeping ISO at a maximum of 800 helps reduce grain, while an exposure value of 0 ensures proper exposure without underexposing darker scenes. Lowering sharpness helps minimize noise in shadowed areas, preserving detail without introducing artifacts. Alternatively, for divers who prefer an AI-assisted approach, the pure video mode enhances brightness and reduces noise automatically, making it a great choice for capturing clear footage in challenging lighting conditions. By selecting the right setting based on the environment, the Insta360 Ace Pro 2 delivers high-quality underwater footage with optimal exposure and color accuracy. Unlike many action cameras that require extensive color correction in post-production, the Insta360 Ace Pro 2 delivers vibrant, true-to-life colors straight out of the camera. Given that the visibility and lighting are equally good, its standard color profile powered by the AI Aquavision 3.0 automatically restores the reds, blues, and greens that are typically lost at depth, ensuring natural and well-balanced underwater footage. This feature is especially valuable for divers and hobbyists who prefer a shoot and share experience without the hassle of color grading. Getting the best footage with the Insta360 Ace Pro 2 underwater comes down to having the right settings and accessories. Whether you're free diving, scuba diving, or snorkeling, a little preparation can make a huge difference. Before jumping in, the first step is activating underwater mode from the drop-down menu. This prevents accidental screen touches caused by water movement, ensuring your recording remains uninterrupted. Once that's set, it's time to choose the best mount or grip for your dive. A versatile option is a 3-way multi-mount, which allows for a variety of angles. It's adjustable for both tight and wide selfies, offers full length and angle flexibility, and features a rotating ball joint for easy positioning. However, it is negatively buoyant, so it requires careful handling underwater, and the screws on the joints may rust over time if not rinsed properly after saltwater use. For those who prefer a secure and positively buoyant grip, the floating hand grip is a solid choice. It stays afloat, has a high visibility collar for easy spotting, and includes a strap for added security. While it's rust-resistant and durable, its shorter length limits reach and framing, and its buoyancy may cause slight drag when moving through the water. Another great option is the Action Selfie Stick, offering the longest reach among the available mounts. It's lightweight but still slightly negatively buoyant, making it easy to handle. Scuba divers can pair it with a magnetic selfie stick holster for a secure locking mechanism. However, since it doesn't bend to adjust angles, positioning needs to be considered beforehand. Over time, frequent use may cause it to loosen, and additional purchases such as a quick-release mount or a wrist strap might be necessary. For snorkeling, free diving, or shallow dives, the Insta360 Ace Pro 2 can be used without a case since it's waterproof up to 12 meters. In this setup, all you really need is a mounting stick and a quick-release mount for easy handling. Some divers opt for the vertical-horizontal mount, which allows quick switching between a vertical 9x16 and a horizontal 16x9 framing, making it easier to adapt to different shooting styles. Since the camera is negatively buoyant, using a float guard is a smart move to prevent it from sinking. The high-visibility orange color makes it easy to spot, and it's made from lightweight yet durable EVA material, maintaining access to buttons, microphones, and the touch screen. However, it does add some drag in the water and prevents the screen from flipping. For deeper dives, beyond 12 meters, the dive case is essential, allowing the Insta360 Ace Pro 2 to go as deep as 60 meters while maintaining protection. Before sealing it up, swapping out the wind guard for the mic cap is necessary to ensure full waterproofing. The dive case makes deep diving possible while preserving high-quality imaging thanks to its glass lens. Its stable and durable design keeps the camera protected against pressure changes and impacts. However, condensation can sometimes build up inside the case, so using anti-fog inserts helps keep the lens clear. One trade-off is that the touch screen and the flip screen functionality becomes restricted, meaning settings can't be adjusted once the camera is inside. When diving, positioning is everything. Keeping the sun behind helps illuminate subjects naturally, reducing the need for artificial lighting. Since the water reduces sharpness and contrast, getting closer to the subject within 1 to 2 meters results in clearer, more detailed shots. This is especially crucial when not using additional lenses. For filming marine life, approaching slowly and avoiding sudden movements prevents scaring them away. The Insta360 Ace Pro 2 stands out as a game-changer for underwater videographers, offering greater flexibility in post-production compared to its predecessor. Its enhanced image processing and color accuracy make it easier to achieve professional quality edits while minimizing the need for extensive corrections. For divers who prefer color grading in post-production, the eye-log and flat color profile are the ideal choice. Unlike the standard color profile, which can sometimes appear oversaturated, the eye-log or flat profile retain more dynamic range and detail, making it easier to adjust colors in editing software. This is especially useful for underwater footage where color inconsistencies such as an overly red tint near the surface can complicate corrections. Although the Ace Pro 2 records in 8-bit, its color reproduction remains highly accurate even in challenging underwater conditions. When LUTs or lookup tables are applied, the footage achieves rich and well-balanced colors with minimal adjustments. This efficiency saves time for editors and ensures that underwater scenes maintain their natural vibrancy without excessive post-processing. See the difference? A little bit of editing goes a long way in making our underwater shots pop. The Insta360 mobile app provides a versatile and user-friendly editing experience catering to both manual adjustments and AI-powered creative edits. With features like Shot Lab and Flash Cut, users can quickly apply pre-made templates of various themes optimized for social media sharing. These AI-driven tools help streamline the editing process by automatically selecting the best clips, applying transitions and effects, and syncing footage to music. For smoother playback and a more efficient editing workflow, downloading the clips directly to the mobile app is recommended. Alternatively, users can connect a memory card via the Insta360 card reader for seamless file transfers. The app includes essentials editing tools such as brightness, saturation, hue adjustments, and a variety of filters to enhance footage with just a few taps. Additionally, built-in templated transitions and copyright-free music make it easy to create polished videos without external software. For those working with eye-log footage, the app provides a native LUT or lookup table as a starting point for color grading. For more advanced editing, the Insta360 Studio desktop app provides you a deeper creative control. It supports eye-log color grading, allowing you to fine-tune your footage for a more polished look. You can also apply and adjust hue, saturation, and luminance for precise color correction and export high bitrate video for professional post-production workflows. The export settings. Getting your export settings right makes all the difference between a good video and a stunning high-quality final product. Whether you're sharing it on social media, uploading in 4K, or prepping for professional post-production, choosing the right format, bitrate, and resolution is the key to making your underwater footage look as crisp and vibrant as possible. For the best possible image quality, it is recommended to export videos in 4K resolution H.265 codec and a bitrate of 60 Mbps or higher. The mobile application supports H.265 codec with 4K as the highest resolution and 150 Mbps as the maximum bitrate available. If you plan to edit the video further in a third-party editor, exporting at a higher resolution and bitrate is highly recommended to preserve detail and flexibility in post-production. If no additional editing is needed, you can simply select from the available export presets optimized for your chosen social media platform and share the video as is. It is always recommended to render or export the videos in the highest possible resolution and bitrate to minimize the impact of social media compression on video quality. And that's a wrap on our Insta360 Ace Pro 2 underwater tutorial series. Dive safe and happy creating!